Hello everyone, Aman here for Mr. Phone, and in this video I'll be talking about the ROG Gaming Backpack BP4701 that you can buy for about 2300 rupees in India. Speaking of gaming, we here at Mr. Phone are about to host a gaming tournament which starts on 28th June only on the Mr. Phone gaming channel. The tournament is called Valorant Premier League and the winning team gets a chance to win prizes worth 20,000 rupees including the MVP, getting the 6GB RAM variant of the newly launched Techno Spark 7 Pro. So what are you waiting for? Register if you haven't already. The form is in the description below, and guys, remember, entries close on 26th June. So hurry. Okay, this is the ROG Gaming Backpack. The model number is BP4701. I have already told you that, and you can check the dimensions of this bag on your screens right now. Okay, if you're after looks, then this bag is not winning any fashion competitions, but in terms of function, this bag delivers. Although I won't deny that this reflective text that Asus has done over here, this looks cool. Otherwise, in terms of fit and finish, good materials used in the front and back. This right here is the front pocket and it is covered in this waterproof TPU material. The rear has a thick mesh design for the comfort and of course the ventilation, and there's a built-in luggage strip as well, just in case if you need one. Now, two ways to open this bag. Here's the zipper on top. You unzip and you can access the two large compartments inside the bag. And the opening on this bag is big enough to easily slide in a 15-inch laptop and all the other stuff that you carry around. And by the way, I'm currently using this laptop, the Asus TUF F15. This is a gaming laptop. I'm using it as my daily driver. So the review is going on, the testing is going on, and if you guys have any questions regarding this amazing gaming laptop, shoot it down in the comments. I'll address them in the review. Okay, now coming back to the backpack, and just in case you think that the zipper opening is not large enough and you need a larger opening, well, in that case, remove this hook, unroll this top cover, and yeah, then fill in whatever you want to. By the way, Asus claims that this bag can even fit in a 17-inch laptop, which I can't confirm right now, but I don't doubt it. And lastly, there are two side pockets as well that you get on this bag, which you can use to keep a 1-liter bottle or your umbrella. Otherwise, that's about it for this Asus ROG Gaming Backpack, and I think for the price, this is a decent offering. Although if I could add something to this, then I would have loved to see a secret pocket of sorts somewhere, maybe here in between the straps or somewhere inside. But yeah, a secret pocket would have worked wonders. Maybe next time. And that's all for this video. As always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned at Mr. Phone. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.